Welcome back. Today's video is about Indian Navy SSC recruitment. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for Indian Navy SSC Recruitment 2021 Freshest Now. Our website will give you all the information at one place itself. Don't forget to join us through Telegram because you will be getting regular job updates. Link is provided in the description to join us directly. Indian Navy has opened its vacancies for short service commission officers, and there are various entries. As you can see, the details are covered in the official notification itself. So the applications are invited for unmarried eligible men and women candidates for short service commission, which will be commencing from June 2022 onwards. For this, there will be an extended naval orientation course, general service executive, hydrography, naval orientation course, NOC, regular air traffic controller, observer pilot, logistics, etc. Now, here are the branches which are also called as cadres, and here are the streams or the education qualification which is required. The vacancies is given to particular gender, and the last column gives the details regarding the age, whoever are born between the dates of what. First is for general service, hydro cadre, BE or a BTech in any of the discipline with 60% of marks, and there are 45 vacancies. These are only for men. Whoever is born between 2nd of July 1997 to 1st of January 2003 are eligible to apply. And air traffic controller ATC, BE or a BTech in any discipline, AICTE recognized, and also carrying 60% of marks. And in this particular cadre, there are 4 vacancies which are eligible for both men and women. Whoever is born between 1997 to 2001 are eligible to apply. Next is for an observer and pilot. The qualification of education is the same. The vacancy will be differing. This is open for men and women again. Logistics, BE or a BTech in any of the discipline, first class. MCA with first class IT. Men and women can apply, and the education branches are as follows. First class in MSc, first class in MSc in physics, applied physics, math, 55% in MA history, BE or a BTech with minimum of 60% of marks, and according to the streams of the education as mentioned here, the number of vacancies are mentioned, and again the education branch is open for both men and women as well. 1997 to 2001 is the birth days age calculated. Next is the technical branch, engineering branch, electrical branch, naval architect. And for all of these are the streams which are considered for applying. Note that whoever is applying for engineering electrical branches, only men are eligible to apply. For naval architect, both men and women are eligible to apply. The vacancies mentioned can be changed according to the availability of the training slots. And Merchant Navy personnel candidates having Government of India, Ministry of Shipping and Transport certificate have to be submitted. And whoever are born between 2nd July 1992, 1st Jan 2003 are eligible. And for pilot license, you should have a relevant issued CPL license by DGCA India, and they have to be born between 97 to 2003. NCC certificates. So NCC candidates, whoever are belonging to the NCC, you should have a C certificate. Relaxation will be given 5% in the cutoff mark section, and minimum you should have a B grade. You should not have served less than 2 academic years. The final selection will be according to the subject of verification. Next is the details of who are eligible to apply. Whoever have graduated or whoever are pursuing their final year or final semester carrying 60% of marks are eligible to apply. If you are having CGPA, convert it to a percentage and then put it in the application form. Note that your application should be from a recognized university or institute. And next, all SSB recommended candidates would be required to inform their final results in respective of their degree by 30th of April 2022 in the Indian Navy through this particular email. Next, make sure only you are applying to one application by one candidate. Approximately 1,000 candidates who have chosen for SSC pilot will be considered further for SSB, CPSS respectively. Candidates must indicate their preference and branches or cadres in the application form very clearly, because if you don't mention, your application will not be considered. Candidates will not be considered if your branches or cadres are not being proper, and candidates also are advised to ascertain the eligibility of each cadre as well and then apply. make sure you are having minimum criteria as mentioned in the official notification. Next is all the details regarding the allowances and the tattoos, height, weight, and then relaxation, medical standards can be found in the official website as mentioned here for detailed information. Tenure of the commission is going to be for 4 years. These 4 years again are divided into 2+2. Selection procedure is going to be according to the shortlisting basing on the performance, and next for the candidates who are in their final year, according to the marks which you have obtained in the previous semesters, those will be considered, and non-engineering branches as well, MCA, MCA, MBA and BSc, BCom, all the marks which you have obtained in the semesters are going to be considered. Final merit list are required to submit a proof of completing your qualifying degree by sending your email to this particular email ID, and further communication will not be entertained. Shortlisted candidates then will be further proceeded for the SSB interview. Next, candidates are advised not to change their email IDs or mobile numbers once you have submitted your biodata, and then your center or the interview is permissible in the particular circumstances, and all of these general instructions have to be read by the candidate before applying. The training will be according to the norms of the organization. Candidates are expected for the Merchant Navy to indicate in the rank of Sub-Lieutenant Merchant Navy candidates, and then you will be having 22 weeks of training for the regular NOC for all the branches. Only unmarried candidates are eligible to proceed for the training period, and in between whoever are getting married or if you have withdrawn from the course, you have to pay the refund. Prohibition period I have mentioned earlier, it will be from the date of the grant of the rank, and it will be for the termination of 2 years. Next details is how to apply. Candidates, first you have to register yourself, fill in the application form through the website which is given here, and after the application fill in all your personnel particulars and also attach relevant documents submitted to the officials before the last date. Scan your documents, make sure your documents are very legible, because illegible or if they are not clear, then your documents will not be considered and your application might be disqualified. If you think you have fulfilled the criteria, you can scan this code and you can start applying. Further queries in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.